when you're manifesting something, you want to make sure that you're clear about what you want to have. So one of the great things about the mind is that it listens to us and what we want. So one of the things that I've heard Spirit say over and over and over is that it's never that you're asking for something that's too big. It's usually that you're asking for something that isn't big enough and that people quit right before they get it. So when you're thinking about manifesting, and if your manifesting is working, if that desire that you have and that thing that you're trying to create is genuinely something that you want and that is to your highest good, then don't give up. Don't think negative. Try not to talk yourself out of it. Don't look for all the things that are wrong with it. Look for all the things that are right. And maybe you'll find that your manifesting is working much, much better than you ever thought it could.